Hey, this is Kevin, Big Bear Performance. I wanted to show you guys this touring model Harley Davidson. It actually was a Street Glide 2016. I want to show you some of the things that we do to these bikes, but also why we do them. Number one, we've obviously put suspension on the front. It's an inverted front end. It's the best suspension you can buy. It's Öhlins, okay? We've raised the bike up 2.5 inches from stock. And why do we do that? We do that to have ground clearance, because the bike, after we put suspension on it, becomes so stable and the traction between the tire and the road surface increases tremendously. That's why we can add the big brakes, and so it also gives us traction tire to road surface in cornering, so we can go around corners much faster, we can stop much faster, all because of that suspension. And we have the ground clearance to do as well. So that's all about the front suspension and the brakes. Now, we also added this fairing. Why did we add this fairing? We added this fairing because it's mounted to the frame, not to the forks. When you add a fairing to the forks, a large fairing with a large footprint, it has a big input aerodynamically into the front end of the bike and will give you movement, basically, make the bike nervous. That's why it's okay for us to put one of those small fairings on, like the Road King. We put a small fairing on the front like a Dyna fairing. Much better, much less input as far as mounting a fairing to your forks. So that's that part of it. We've also mounted the gauges up high in the line of sight of the rider, so that when you're smashing through the canyons, you can see your tachometer, so you know what your engine speed is at a glance, so that you know whether you can downshift or whether you need to upshift. That's why we do those gauges in your line of sight, along with the speedometer, so you don't go into a corner too hot, too fast, and hurt yourself. We've got the mid controls on the bike. Why do we do that? It's not a looks thing, it's performance. It's so that you can stand up on the bike, so that you can pump blood into your muscles to stop that fatigue in your ass and your legs. That's why we do it. So you can ride this bike 800 miles a day, or take it up into the canyons and smash on it, because your legs are underneath you, put you in a better riding position. With these bars and risers, it gives you a lot more leverage over the bike to roll it from left to right at a very fast pace. Performance exhaust, 124. We got the power, we got the brakes, we got the handling. This is why we do this stuff. Of course, we've got the 14-inch shocks on the back, and it makes it for a really badass bike. Now, this fairing, we can put it on a 2020 or even a 2000 or a 98 bagger. We can put the gauges up in the fairing, which we did on this. We put the fuel and the voltmeter up into the face of the fairing. We can even add the navigation system if we wanted to. So it just makes it really nice. A very stable bike, a very nice bike to ride, a performance bike, a lot safer of a motorcycle to ride. I'll guarantee it. Thank you.